Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing a look into my felt sewing process while making a felt burger for kids' print and play. This video is not a step-by-step tutorial, it's more of a quiet sewing vlog and a peek into how I work with felt. Today I will need a small selection of felt and basic hand sewing tools like threads, scissors, embroidery needle and stuffing. I usually prepare all my pieces before I start sewing. This helps the process feel calm and uninterrupted and lets me focus on the stitching itself rather than rushing through the steps. This part of the process is always my favorite. I enjoy the rhythm of hand sewing and the way felt slowly takes shape, stitch by stitch. Once the pieces start coming together, even a small amount of stuffing makes a big difference. This is where the piece begins to feel playful and dimensional. There are a couple of common ways to make a blanket stitch in felt. One method wraps the thread around the needle before pulling it through. Another method pulls the needle through first, leaves a small loop and then brings the needle through that loop. I personally prefer the second way. It gives me more control and creates a cleaner, more even edge. I pay a lot of attention to finishing details. I like my stitches to feel secure and invisible, so the toy looks neat from every angle and holds up well during play. If you would like to make your own felt burger, the complete tutorial, including a full video and printable PDF instructions, is available in my Etsy shop. And here is a finished felt burger. Soft, lightweight and perfect for print and play. Thank you for watching and spending some quiet sewing time with me.